Oh, that's headed for the puddle.
That's so
Did you get it on video?
Yeah.
You did?
Yeah.
Cooper's so
Both of them? Did you get both of them? Cooper!
Oh, you want some ice cream?
Go get Kenny. Come here, bring your ball here. Ew, dude. Coop, where's your ball? Get your ball.
He's fallen like 3 times.
Okay, last one and then we gotta go.
Come here. Come here, Coop. Come here.
Quick! Quick!
His shoes are falling off.
It's fun.
Who's going on YouTube tonight?
Coop? Yeah, when he comes back and he puts the ball down and just lays down.
But he will always run if you throw
Oh,
it.
yeah. He'll always run. It's just a matter of how close he'll get to you when he comes back.
And I'm done.
You look so wet.
It's because he is
So do
wet.
you, Kenny.
Uh-oh. Oh. Cooper's so careful.